Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your Google account is signed in and that calendar is accessible. Once ready, open Google Calendar and choose the desired date and start time for the meeting. Make sure the time zone is correct. Next, click Create Event and enter a clear title and brief description so attendees know purpose. As you do this, set visibility and basic event length. This first step gets the meeting anchored in time and prepares the event to generate a Meet link automatically. Once the event exists, click Add Google Meet Conferencing to create the meeting link. Google Calendar does this automatically and embeds the URL into the event. Then add attendee emails or a Google group and choose guest permissions like Invite Others or Modify Event. This controls how participants interact. Next, set notifications, recurrence if repeating, and adjust conferencing options such as alternative hosts or joining from phone numbers. Doing these middle steps ensures attendees receive now finalize by reviewing date, time, guest list, and the Google Meet link that appears in the event. Then click Save and choose Send to distribute invites immediately. Make sure you explain joining instructions in the description and confirm recipients received the invite with the embedded Meet link. If something goes wrong, check calendar sharing permissions, ensure all guests are using the correct Google account, and verify the Meet link appears in the event. These quick checks fix most scheduling errors before start time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.